Today we're going to be working on Leetcode question number 342, power of 4. Given an integer n, return true if it is a power of 4, otherwise return false. So if we have been given n is equal to 16, it's going to be a true because it is like 2 raised power 4 is going to be equal to 16, and then n is equal to 5, we're going to be returning false because it is definitely not power of 4. So it is very similar to the question we did for a power of 2, where what we were doing is like just checking that if the number is greater than 0 and n minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is gonna make sure that the number is of type 1. In binary representation it is 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0. So that would give you like if a number is a power of 2. But over here we're gonna do another like on top of that, we also want to make sure that the position of that single one in the binary representation of that number is at the odd position. So in order to check that, what we're going to be doing is like we're going to say that the we're going to say that the n and actually they all are the if because this is the binary and then n with the 0x and then 0x5 5 5 5 5. So we're gonna have a total of 8 5s. Okay, so what is going on is this is the like, and this is gonna be the 101 like in hexadecimal, and we want to make sure that this n, the only one which it is gonna have in order to qualify for power of 4, the position of that only one needs to be at the odd position. So if there is an odd position, and then that the product of that needs to be equal to the num itself. So I mean the n itself. So you take the product of that, and if that is equal to n, meaning the position of 1 was not on an even index, otherwise it's gonna turn 0. Um, and so if the 1 stays there, that's gonna come out to be equal to n. So that means we have the 1 position at odd index, so it's gonna be it is a power of 4. Actually we can just return that instead of checking that. Okay, we have, so this is good. This is for this one. End of file while parsing. Oh, so data print type or binary operator, and it is greater than 0 and n this one is equal to 0, looking good. And it works.